Caramelos siempre perfectos.
Fructis Nutrilizos secado al aire con aceite de pistacho nutritivo.
Súper.
My people, my people, my people, my people. Yeah, what's up with me? Guys, how do you meet tan? How do you meet tan? How do you meet tan? Yeah, well, Queen, what is the apple? Today now waiting. Hey, not reason now. Not reason at all. Not reason now. How na day? E Queen ereva. Ida ke school a o wana.
Filtown Production.
Nase weo eya mioge na pega. Iyo eya mioge na pega. Na ho kashoge gite eya yoge ne. Osayo managona, osayo managona. Ese yo kwe, ego maiko. Tujona no eke no salo bujeo. Tujona no eke ne baba ye.
If you are going yak bit o yangi ya gogo. How na je? If you are jena via done wagre via donu zomo. Edzoni yahio. Edzoni gozo minko zona na gyukwa meno rerejo. Waya walaje. Wala mo gunori yeme wa bebe nege kai. Una no reason now. Yeah, we queen no you not dressed today. Ike school out one. So today not for dressing matter. Today I am just coming from school. So I am really hungry. So na be that. Una good afternoon, una good evening, una walaje, wala mogun, wa bebe nege kai. Meno ovi wa otin wa. The queen, one of the whole world. AKA never saw it bova. No, not easy now. This one, na month of congratulations. This month where you just see so. May you dey carry your congratulations, they waka o. As me your day so. My month of congratulations, I be this October. Shebona say this avocado and water. Shebona say this avocado and water. So as soon as they see this avocado, it good for BP. It good for BP. It good for rheumatism. It good for what did they call them? People will get sugar for body. You know, as I cut her inside the water. People will get sugar for body. It good for them. It's still good for typhoid, all those typhoid. Describe it. All over. If your back also they draw you, it good for body. If you don't drink, it go can't stop all those things. Go you can't stop once. You know can't they feel all those pains again when you feel they feel. You know can't they feel like again. You see this one sit there so now water. Now say do this very one and the other one. May I show you the other one? Go bring and come nana. Make I show you how that one say they play as well. So Mona wait. Mona wait, Una see this one. This one now with alcohol. This one mixed with alcohol. Now roots they inside this one. This one roots they avocado they inside. Different roots, rheumatism, what you they feel for inside your body will not good. All those mendes will not feel good for inside your body. Once you don't they drink all these things, it go clear and sharp. You go even they feel you even they see all the whole thing they work. Not be same math. Now you go they notice Anna. Well, say all these things where you feel they get, where you feel get for body, it not on the day again. This one it go clear and sharp. This one are the avocado osun. Now even this one where you they see so mix with water. For those who know they drink alcohol. Now be this. You know, see, as I cut her inside this one, so I just cut her today. I am going to leave it for 3 days. Not me now when I have way. I am not going to use it. I am going to leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, I will start drinking it. After 3 days, I will start drinking it. And you see this alcohol. This one does not make for because me alcohol. It's for somebody. So I miss it already. He also say I should call the osun inside. So I have to cut the osun avocado inside and he will mix it with hot. Or to vodka or to a way. So it depends on those where they drink alcohol. Because una health matters a lot. Ave sugar no wa me beni. Ena here or why I cook bekwa. Una health matters a lot o. Wa wana wa take care of say even it may prefer no we dem no ayagba o regbo than as you say machance you say me no can love you one day. You only go there to just sit down for 1 month. What be that? As you say machance you say me no can love you one day. Egbo when you what day important no we say. No where you egbo when you wa forget the mansion or whatever you call it or jagagano. Even say monu we be lebe webo. No ya love you very raw. No ya love you very. So what is the need of our stress? Na wa boy, you know. So no be do ne wagre. You dey see your body matters to you a lot. When it be me na je me ya fi alase. Ya fi alase ni ra me ya fi alase ni ye me. We are make be me we give am ki ogo or go gi asun. Ejewe. So these two things is better. So either this one or this one. It all depends when you want to buy roots with this one. If you don't drink alcohol, is you mix it with water. Cut this fruit inside the water and leave it for 3 days, and it will look okay. It will be okay in your body when you are drinking it. I am telling you now. I only care about your body. Don't only care about money you want to use to buy all these things. No, care about yourself first. Care about yourself first. Egbimena imiowe. Saloba degimi. Imiowe. Only my body matters to me. I no joke with my body. All my family, they know me too well. Me egbimena go down kwa ma wushimi. Egbime imiowe. Imiowe. Oh, egbimeni wa o ka ove ni ya ni me wagun. Egbe na. Upon ni ajoyo. Eva eni ayeye kome. Any owa matter. Before any other thing will take place. Umadzere. Egbimena wa glo. Oyina ni wa loye egbimena ne telebuna. Ehiya wa kosi mesi nyai. So you take care of your body because your body is everything to you. Your body means the whole wide world to you. So if I know where you go, oh, we, if no madofe, or one no madobo, emoto no mafi, rock bale lo mario wa, rock ba, lo mario wa, jagaga yakin. So honu ya fe ya jopo mu so rock ba no lele we ari anywhere ro. Emonu we biye we man, no we ase ayo to man din ati lo Uma di ati lo e venu we ya dology. Or even agbona high. So take care of your body very well. Make that your body is your number one priority or something. You know your number one priority. You need to take care of that body very well. Before any other thing will follow. Why bow a buweni? A soro no why no what ya lawe bo my even a ya just Peter he. Or my dig be okay, dig be o de okay. A so ye be raw. I ye walk in nana. You maybe in time away with nana. A rusi ne doctor in well level no suppose no yaji. You want to do it your way. Ma kame jare what I daughter ni. No, you must follow the rules and regulations. A daughter I want to get cigar, see your boy cigar, or a book bag it. A daughter I want to get in one, see your boy, anything a daughter time away eminana is not good for your head. Keke ladi because sami agbone desu. Waso nu wagwa yari ewebo. Wagwa he hospital gbo wan wa hospital. Hospital is meant for you to it's just a checkup. Nu yagba ogegbo nu yagebe ne gbo eje nu do they heady or not. Hospital. Iyo salobo ya himi waso wa be avo wewu wa. Wa togu wa evanimu nu wari hospital wa ya gegbu wasi. Matanu. Wanive fi yo fihi, wanive re rakokako. No jump from one boyfriend to another, or from one boyfriend to another, or from one girlfriend to another. Make una see they take care. Agmona. Even we yaga. Esoro no wa me mia meta. Eta. Odo yo yasin we do yasin we kenu to tai. Matata. When no chon fin lele ran vidi here. You must either you go do test or whatever. Naga de okay or na de okay. While vake aya kind. Mata ma we no ma get in we bona. You no get part 2. You need to take care of yourself. Any okbea, aweni aneni ahin. Uke lovie ye women no sa women gazo wege. You must go for the test. Likewise me no we have lovie yo. Ime wa yo go me gbeme na kazere anybody. So for that reason, we are we ni dawe or zawe. Uma ona do mwemia men we kenu to taji. Always go for a test. Always go for a test. Agboma wa be see hospital. A test in a run in take seconds. Run all the whole test. All the whole test may run. Run all the whole test and see if you are okay or not. So wake aran we wa no pe awe no do love ye nya we no pe awe ke aran we okay no love ye ehi egbebe su we no we ka we ehi egbe na no ma do de okay ba do de sana o do ma de he do de edi o ma de edi de o me mia me mia me go who wa love ye jo we just like that akwa idore we do agbe syphilis no ma eke no na eke no ya dere he o do agbe mi ame no name ohun do agbe ba se tie no pa we ni ame be Nigeria we ni goloria ale na we odo avocado na ogbe goloria so ogbe ni ya so meta we no we ko take care of egbo se matter o ye me ni talo take care of egbo se be na gba ya mi ohu o dia wa ya hi ewe ebe na ya mi ohu e danzo ve ni me mi awon bu se won otagun iya re ro pon go no upon ogwo mi ami wa gba oge gbese me ye gbe me fi ala 70 eni ope ani me lele emi e ke lo vie ye when at must go for test imi owe because imi agbona to wa rin me o rin me be na rin agbona to wa rin me be na rin so egbe life ni I know one here say nah, yeah, I do okay, baby. Who you want use your sweet mouth to deceive? No, nah. If you like you do okay, but do it for me. I want to see the test. Likewise, me to you. Emma tata, emi ame pokwa boy, emi ame okpokwa boy. wa ni bege wa be asi obowo wa asi obowo wa ga ibe age ni wa be do mu no honu wa si ayu wa no ma ekenu jo ekenu vie ekenu no ekenu no se afo egboro bo samaris you understand that is the truth wa be asi obowo ge wa asi obowo ge ovo kan no ma pa ma eva wa ya mu udo mu syphilis or whatever gonorrhea udo mu boe adiowa or HIV udo mu boe adiowa wa ni pe so wa be asi obowo ge wa ni hu so wa be asi obowo ge wa asi obowo ge wa si obowo ge go too much gbe emi ame wa po wa kokako negi mo ku won bose agata mo wa ni we oku opa ose na ya yin o ege ni wa na forward se we han who he help ko e gba ba egi vero o we gba oko to ya gwa lo ma be e na be rush la be wa so o wa ye ta awo he o ye to ta fo mo ni wo gbele gan wa ho na i be ro instead no we time here be jo the next day we wa we mo pe abe ni ba ti ogwe na ba be ti ogwe na akwe kin we na ga o le yo rush na emi no keke ogbagbo ebi edo ne wagiri rush fi yo nizabo fi yo so be ro o wa we secret one abe hon ma no lele abe hon ma no lele akwe a secret one no gbeso o me ha no a secret one ahe okpa kan e wo he gine bo e problem wa we bona be na gbe me na ware ni mesena e so be we kuni you know wise can you imagine rubbish you know wise okay by flirting ya wise ya akwa me no wa ya nyene na gbon he o agbon ni mere do nyina by flirting oh my ya wise or whatever agbon ni mere do nyina imi awa enjoy gbe me here ya flex gbe me le la coca coca but not for stupidity of friend boyfriend and whatever you call it imi wa flex gbe me kono wa obuzo ekwawuzo ehemi ati wa ya le ba ni gbe oko iwa flex e restaurants no mafo I go there go eat my food e boga kin o irewa iwa flex gbe me oge ni me what you know understand ido agele le ran veri here no pa no re are we no akara we wa kin le ma koken no pa no re are take life easy with yourself because we no keke na either syphilis gonorrhea or HIV or emi amenegi mo kun no ro ya we HIV no ro kun no ya suppress you did not wish yourself that kind of thing. Withdraw from gaga life, and at the end of the day we're doing it here nenia but so me feel wa ya ave maso at the end of the day we're winning it we do na do ami we too much of one boyfriend, two boyfriend, three boyfriend of open wide the person where you come they follow you go come be wetin they want call am all for egbe princess everywhere good you understand. The person when you come they follow, he go come give you belly. You know who give you belly. You know who give you belly. On not tell of your kemeban, I not battle of your kemeban, not battle of your kemeban. No passe okay love ye keme baba no pa love ye keme ba wo no nyamo e life ni here ani e life e mata ma we no magati e gbe na osopo nu gba o gesi o ge ga bun gbe o na do ami ewe wa iwa bie o won ma no mo ekonu e na we pitanu ahwo we yusufu no iya ko we mi ati e no ge ejombu o no ri mo ekonu ewu we odo kinu ai na bobo we no go hokiza is that a life wa le lorun opa kin o no nyakoni omiewe ji o mamiewe ji o ewe nyo no love yekewe nyo hi wewe na nyo nyamona agabe jo wisi mi gbara ya woke na o teste yes ovimeno na hin ovimeno e blue sagin when is your picky is your child oh hey you are even go hiza na we go say oh one boyfriend help oh one boyfriend help oh one boyfriend help of course one boyfriend help person for not getting for not giving another person another man's pregnancy to another one boyfriend if you give me belly I'll know say na you give me belly if you want say na no let's go to hospital because if any okpa eti prove if we sweaty body woke ya we test they will get him economy. Do you know why the reason why I lost some women? All time we just walk back on him and when walk be away my him and when it cannot take me here. Ya lady was silver. How many of you can boast where Okpeana Gele economy? How many of you out there? No boast the way Okpeana won ya corner. No, just I they ask question. How many of you women go both say na me get this speaking? Now the man get this speaking. How many of you now? I just say na question they ask you now. Make una not take a personal. Na question. How many of you now will be woman go both say he cannot degbe we no degbe. Now this man get this belly. Now this man get this belly. Wherever he want draw me go, I go make sure see I follow. How many of you? It now only the olden days women. Na go fit or say your pare ye love yeke. Abi khonede o ma be menosa women gazo wigi. Ke kabo se me ni mo go me no ma be ba abi khonede ni na me adegi khonede ba o. Ihe wo khonede o na ma khin. Imena dege even no we yin lo. Mo to be me ti result e wo ona ege khonede na khin na I khore na. E ma tata. And I hold na because he hold na mina. Tale. O na me we yan rabie. Yan ti gba o muse. Yan rabie. He it is no. Yan rabie. Aya go akoka ko we re government mi wa mo re government. Ima lerun go I am not praying for wo wa yan mi wa mo. Wa so wa be yobu wa sie mi no lo wa so. Wa ni huso. E greediness wa obungbe wa kokako. Ever time I went on wagati. Wani hoso a greediness wa obugbe wa kokako. You must withdraw from all those lifestyle. Ever time I went on wagati. Okpopo na yak bijale. Are adia se gbiyawo wege ne hian pegbe na. You have to be careful, you woman. Be careful. O himeti me bueve no sopo no yaji. I know they look at your face. Me a hian buezo. Be careful. Because again, no wet, even no wet think you would way. Hey, mamma, think. Be careful, you woman. Because a life in wagi live a life in no straight at all, who never line a life in was so live, a life in no straight in a life in no way water who was so live. You most of the women are thinking one home and whereas you know nothing. E can na no total seni, no total se. Ne hi egbeze de abi asawo gbeso ewe hiwe mi ugu wo ho ese you want be the everything about the house. You be father, you be mother, you be husband, you be everything. Oh my man, it does not work like that. It does not work like that. It does not work like that. U de ga bi gari obana e do wo ro nyemebe ohin pe oho ona ro nyemebe ohin pe. Depend when waya plan the life kugbenu. Depends when waya we mi gugano. Ihe ma ya no rigari obana ni abodo ye gbaro wa. Ni abodo ye gbaro wa. They are still living a peaceful life. Ahove me ogwa ni ku so obungbe. Obungbe wa si obowo. Obungbe. Amana kamu wa igari oba yan ya live wa be live odo ba me yan ya. That is still in their home. Iya ye gogo. Too much of everything is bad, my people. Wegena agari go no wa why ya we mi be no sopo no yaje wo monardu dan ri go no wa you will not take care ima onizebo I don't want or I should still use broken sometimes e go na rie no wa ni sometimes the money where they give una say me you pack and go Nigeria. The answer is no, my darling. For example, they not give you make they give you make you take chop, make you take care of your children, make you take maintain this your children. Some of una we greedy for inside. They give una that money. Uwa kun yari Nigeria. Go men lo eto vima. Iye wari neni gonu. Uwa kun yari Nigeria. Omo na wonu we ya gba oge. Omo ye son. Omojo ma neseke na gba ogo mojo ma na ya mu wo gun ati ase omo na ya mu be ke na gba e ki eni ko be mase e money orphanage odo mase mo na nije gba oge odo mase mo nije take care of. What are you saying? What's your nani iya ndege iya makon wa so agwa be amomori school okoma o marie mi eko e iya ge monu wa fiori school de ke omona na gele gba oge na ki omona se no seke na e na ki amoni ogwa oka o ekenukun na mafo uri ejo akonu ma be amego igor rene no ya de nenukun but let it be neat. Your money get what they need. Get they need or adere omo akoma na wa akwe famia 7 years jaji because awin soto wa we ni wa ga ikone ni go yari o wane e modo get asibi vedian oye mo ne sekina na e oye mo ne meje ifo mo ne meje so fe for ko ma se no guje wo wa mona dey take care of una self and una children leave go no akunare Nigeria wa be mashon regiegi agbon maka veri oni emi no wa na ege ari otaban na do miewe ado a favor enikbia okay do aye we bo se niku imagine ege ari ota won emi ave favor de se fi wori e na be do na wa gere emi afi wori esi so wa nikbia o wa we ti ogbale gbe no da fun ovo kan we ni avie mo you are only via ya put here ya vie nene mo wo ye we lose wo lose e wata no we are ti ogbale gbe no wo kun we ni adovie mo una we mo ni we ni adovie wo lose e wata no nene no ko agbe yoyi eri ugbe to bu we no pe agbe yoyi se a no salobo ajoje ne no ko dan we wa boy government we ni adovie nene mo ya Ivo nikinia, Ivo hati niki. Ivo. Orizowe kuweni. You are to we the woman ho. Then we buwe ho. Eri we the woman ho. Ematata. E baba na gwa kan for example, or I don't guess or ye be of it. Is that a life? Oh ye be of it. Don't know it be like 40 something or day 50 a mona. About me or money. Don't mabe no read the baby. Go get a CB. So for that reason, every woman in Europe, including me, we must get HQ. A wisdom. A wisdom. Mama na lue mwaje na jena. Madege government again. Near Iwajina, Yama Sandy. When you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Oh, yeah, Narioba Iwaje. When you do anyhow, you see anyhow. I don't mean woman, when no one moko worry, view mok a webona, Udo hino kame negime. That is not a prayer, a good prayer for God's sake. That is not a good prayer. Because Nia Jenek Bekinya Yane. Ekbekinya Yane. So they must still get do anything by anything. Where he on no one no makwe we me dance we me dance. So that is the reason why we are silly evil la wagbe. Second one, why we silly evil la wagbe. I was say na we silo la wa na we rusun eyan be a cause of many problem or say na silo la wana many informati no ba yan ragbon na ke mi de avosi no wasilo la wa ba kokako why I think he's my best friend, he's my boyfriend. Even no wina lele miro babo abe miro babo ni re isiebo eviebo man no wina lele o ibirino ayen ge ni ke eni ere gbe ya me fian wo sha ere gbe ya me fian wo black man no wina lele aba baba ni revo o ibirino ere gbe yan be fian wo because when no them when ni like any ukpugwe ave vone ya be we are tawe yi ogbalegbe na who maybe report in ta mo man no we no do report in what time I was straight I want man do report that is the truth that is why a police ogbalegbe webo ye oga Nigeria no keep a secret or whatever if you don't want to know who come we are what ye be yana at time when e mata ma we no ma at time we go not your ogbalegbe I will make sure anyway your number they will fetch it at instantly we bonoga me your no number yat ye learning ne be ni vidare major no number yati and yana he direct line yati me gurigbe so since that time egani when ma oni sunu yodo e be gani madare na won mi nika so mena yo o me no ba sunu be gani be wa side na so mena yo no number yati yan ina ma oni ame no ba me that is the day I feel all these people yana ye direct line me me gurigbe. Can you imagine? And I mini harmony of work be. Ye directly me yati me go de be ije o. Me na gata mo se me no ko na yan what ye directly yati me go de be. I see you favor. Me na gaka me ba that is that day. Eva where saloba ma oni de gbe de ko ma dan or whatever. They de madare metana. Ni o jameti yan. That is that day. Kege nikba. Me dale no biya we yana de. I can wo. E matata. So I mean ye jave mi nana ya hawe. No matter how we no smart say. Iya ha ema no mabebo. Iya ema ne mabebo. Afu egbe. Iya ema no mabebo. Iya ema ne mabebo. Many maya walking have a street. More time one day walk balegbe mame where I am sorry you are not on the blacklist. Emata ogbalegbo ze boni meme ogbalegbe rubia. Oh, I am sorry darling, you are not on the blacklist. What do you mean by blacklist? Well, you are never steal, you are never deal on drug, you are never do anything, you have never key. You got name or papa. Or when your hand is so pure. Imiove, no mana pure, what's your baby? Imiove, I will not name wajina. A record of it done, every maybe a record of it done. Na imiove. Orwo agbale papa elaja we eniane ne ahin eriuka wona nebege nokpe eriuka wona nebege nokpe eriuka wona wose gbebere ni wa lawe bo wanu oni say me na wata with confidence yata mokpe ata moho you don't rubbish really name your silliness oni say ogbeso me oma we gume wa ye mi na ya wo mi na iri no o ma be mu mi re we mohi mi ni or whatever. Go make claim on me. I know the claimer because it might no more. I know the claim. Yeminita, a be me ya feel as no more. Because anytime I trust anybody so Emma Tata. I can't guys sitting in Wajeva or my Wahama where your name me. My darling, always be careful. Because also, Abanega made me down. They will use those things against you. So, no we do. No, it's writing me. So, no, ni mani huo, ni mabe a be careful. Ni ma be careful, ma emi ni ma gualo, ni ma be careful. Ema tab ma we no ma veti. Di go for sabane gal me down because of silly money, you go no ma semi rockba. Adoru da endo ya mio we no salobo ya we. A gift no salobo no. But asena, you know, sununana, and aba vie na. You must go for prayers. Erun yokba eti sote mi ya no rotona. And second, they get talo mako. Too much of talo. Area solution go way. Take it or leave it. Ave talo wa Coca-Cola. Area solution or go. No one get the solution for you. Emma tama we no magati. Egbe very oni. You go for lawyer. We are a lawyer. A lawyer gun. Uri ejo. No, nobody where he many major you got the logo of the social media. At the end of the day, I don't have solution to render to you. Omo bome ade, mamu bome ade, menore social media. Ihi abu where ade city when it do where ni I can only tell you he have a gwayo we just then dog have ya me go here wa Coca-Cola page. No. Solution is not coming from social network or whatever. It was to need them in a walk and I donate you or whatever. They anywhere go kind banner. No problem. They anywhere go kind no wahala. Because when I tell you I say Kavashan, assassin is concerned. That this is social media for that kind of issue. Imagine ya put when we go web. Imagine ya put that kind of adult requirement in social media. Hey, God may give collect my money, my children. God may collect my children. Oh, that's where what I mean. We present about where wala ho. You need to go near a lawyer. Wala ho wa gum wa wijo bomeo. They will raise money for you. Or any other solution you will. There solution on oh nani yahi. Oh nano. Oh nano. Every time I went on marketing. Oh na. A daughter, or one more bog, but one more not, but one cagbe, or none or cagbe. Oh, no. Emma Tameta. Because then we go many, we made demi roba river, even in a quiver river, emani echo eman river, eman no carhe to wherever, or eman no. Yeah, that is the truth. That is the truth. Palaho. Wanoka waso wanorako kako wabe asio bowe talo ma ya no wete negbuwe ma si e ma soro no wete negbuwe ma we aro we o wa afie fun e mo we yen gita mo we yen ko bi aro vi we without we mo ta mo wa we me na aro ma fun o mani na wa atale mama o ize talo o mage e fun ge mafia ona wa sun arovi ohun am e fun ge mafia mo ge we do to bo me fin di fun onyo si e fun na gbeso erere fian we ani nyere do ma gbon ki do ma gbon o pa ojo wi emi jovi e phone we na erere fian gbeso we atiki wo fian ne oge no we wa kunyo yo to we wa na ima oni ka me re dere we do pe na kete me we mame but I feel like no e ma tata e de ni beta mo wa we ihueva na wa ninye we ni ya nene unya dafian we ni ya nene u pram o e france yan gaje me wa kole be de ne do me e waga akole wa ma ege kuni lane kuni wa ko mo gere do to bo me fin fo di pe ano be deri o vie social media we wa tie in record wa saranu in record wa bu wa ni nyogun he ladian wonu be no wa ya ne un gboda fun wa he be no da fun wa be ya no re we no pa na be ya no da fun we be ne won no ne na we yes o be ne gbe me o bu wa e na bisi ni ma wa e wa no in ze wa talo we ba can you imagine. Then social media presenter we no yen wa record yen do pe ma wa. But I don't have that time. Oh ya me do ya go you wa whether we wa ken en talo we fun. Wa ken en talo we fun. Have you no gba we you. E ma tiki we phone yan fian no mafia. Have you no ba? Always control your speech. Control your speech whenever you are doing things. Because na ma, my back where I be no ma. Today is pregnant. You don't know how tomorrow look like. Oh man, work where he very nice person to me or he ma or na ma magbe where do fana do me where unyima tosi or nyiwa kokako. Unyima tosi. Beno ya munye we yo to he. Beno ya this gwa we he. Beno ya we mi gu kan I see you adorable Deborah. Beno we mi gu kan o wa ninye wo vandalizing ye we bode. E bode na the truth. E ma tata we vandalizing ye we ne. Beno kan we ari agmo we ari ave. O we no kiam. We are gave all the surprise. Life sweet we me ya ye na. That is the truth. E dia be make be ma be nyana. O see Inyoma wa no kaninye. You stay away from those lifestyle. Egi ninye. Egi gossipy ma come wa koka ko egi mu nyoma yoto wa ana. Egi mu yoto ana. Because ukpu we ma evun o mare ma we hin avun ba kwe. O wa vun medali. Akoka konudia. Akemeta when you are on phone with anybody. Akoka konudia. Akemeta when you are on phone with anybody. Because you don't know who is who these days. Akongie wuria maekeni ale. You have to be careful. Italo ogabungbe ake hoti wewe. Italo rabungbe ake hoti we wakoka ko you will never know. Ema teta because emi no ma ugbe aya la egbe emi no ma ugbe aya ho a wicked point ore emi no ma ugbe aya punish emi no ma ugbe aya attack emi no ma ugbe. That is the truth. Unyime na he wegina unyime ni ya lo lerewe oga unyime talo eke no ala weri ake no water pa wete 100 nisi e matano unyi wo kan oro ba hina so no we he we oteme no gba teme no ku you have to off we gbeket no we he we no we owu we no habit. Withdraw from that habit of yours. Withdraw. I mean negio ngaban. I mean negio ngaban. Etalo rabungbe aiti aban. Esiga rabungbe aiti aban. Anyo rabungbe aiti aban because emi no ma ugbe aya la igbe. Emi no ma ugbe aya mekun agbe. Emi nita. I withdraw. And when you no me nwanyo wa kokako. Never you drop your glass anywhere you are. Never you drop your glass anywhere you are. Una eru nwanyo. Esi ayu webu nuto tayi. Amu elelegbe o we toilet uri o mulelegbe. Anywhere nuri o mulelegbe. Don't drop your cup or wa drop wa degbere ge you bo kan. You bo kan. The glass of it. On your see, Omaru dimele by occasion when you medori ekuye, you are wasting your time. Only me, nekuni. When over occasion, no get back yase. You might be near ya live here. That dog no like it. So if you don't work it, everyone should be careful. And you need prayers. Because this month of October, even. Oh, I need prayer of congratulation. I see you, Mrs. Juliet Okiri. Prayer of congratulation. Now, Nanedu, wish yourself good things this day. Oh, my love, don't be stupid. I know where water le kueme to really o my be. Where is your bowo? Where is your bowo? Who is your boweso? Oh, Giana as your bola ho. Where is your bowo? Was ever to really o my be with your bowo? Who is your bowo? Where even now not banuke be banana fiezo. Go me headway. Oh, we gana headway. ogiana hewe imegi imia o wagiana hewe oni na be bulufwa nukpo giva gwere mu nwinere nya hu inwinere we giana hewe wa be takere uwe ewe amagwa no ati nwinere wa be takere uwe hewe wo we nwinere na see you fit omo uwe ewe wo we nwinere na gume hewe wo okpeni kebe mu nwinere nya hu o ma favor me no keke afira no uwe si obo we nwinere afọ egbe my darling do pes you understand uwe si obo inwinere na gya na si obo because we mana yi onu we si obo we no we gberagbe ona do ami we o wa de yo to wa eje me pa no poge piki afọ egbe no poge ha wani be ge ba ko I am doing great wani be ge ba ko ka ko wa be si obo wa si obo ge force wa si obo wasi obowo kose mi ne gioma na ekene gioma na pa gioma na wo wasi obowo emi ne gioma bon ogbo wa ni hu wasi obowo re wa ni re ba koka ko wasi obowo re ko odo ga ibugbe gitian o wasi obowo re iya joy iya o ya wo no wa ya se wu sagbada o no wa ya se sokoto wasi obowo wani ni vibe normal boy ma owo ejo igbe edi ko wi o jara fi igbe wasi obowo because upopo na ja gbija le no abi ya dedo ya se gbe iyawo wasi obowo imehimi wasi obowo we si obowo go too much igbe erima wasi obo emi bunoru wa hin na ya gwe ni kele de gbete de mu emi wa bunoru wa hin na ya gwe ni ke bi akesun ewugwe obugbe na anu wasi obo wa ni ke no be we wa jo we gbowi egwe wa kokako wala ho me say I love your topic call for egbe wasi obo wa no jo we gbowi egwe wa kokako no ge gane we no ge ma be ga wa ge siere yo ge kwa be si obo unyime dan unyime atosi unyime no gbe hu unyime na ya ho wa ho de wa si obo wo wala ho because wa unyime na wa ma one ni ke ya ebie ka ni de ba nware ya wa ma one bie ka ni de be ba ni ya nware ya agi ya nware o se ni anari nwa ni lele no wa iya ni fe ni meke na la payun senare iya ni fe ni meke na la yon ro logo mare o ma la yo are o e ro iko I see you Melissa yo we have me ya na you understand eva tata ma na seke no riene o e mudia o e do na betawe no ya jugu sagume ni jugu ni gwogbe ni dueki o gunu notayo ne ya betare ge notarata megi da megi o ota ni yeke eyi won la lo sayigore ni gwogbe ni dueki o gunu notayo ne ya betare wagayo we gbowi egbe wa kokako wa gibi e kani de nware ya o sas love of egbe wa gibi e kani de wo to nware wagi ya nware ni ame na be ti be muso be no wa be ya muso wagi yere nware because wa do humiliate ma ba kokako bring him down try no wa oppress him and no bo my so e ba kokako wala ho wa be si obo nyime dan wa si obo nyime dan uwelu boy we no ka bo wa bo weji wala ho wa be si obo nyime dan ni mani kototo de me na ti muso be ni ya ho wa si obo no bobe na mari mage kan be machon ba ko wala ho wasi obo ba bu nyime dan iman no sie emi no nyime so ni me wa mie gine ti man ni gbe anwe ne hu me mi ewe wo be na the truth madale Julie na the truth unyime ni me mie gine ti man ni gbe abe ne hu me mi ewe o ti bi aro betu unyime ni e wa komo we no wa komo we wogi mani bi edo obugbe wa be si obowo wa si obowo and secondly wa me no can have you see no wa be wo ne okay gumembe memio ekiopa ni agari egeni wana ladia wa kokako edia wa onu wa robishe edia wa onu wa mu eniria edia wa onu wa mu eniria edia iya eviedo unero la yo wa so wa be si obobu nyime dan when osaloba ma we ogorun pa owe ogagun ya owo ogagun ya de nene ni gbobo jere ba kokako na yi deke osaloba na toni mo wa hwe we na be an gwali jobo kan ba hwe o be rie bu gwe kini me yari jobo nu o be rie bu gwe kini o be yari jobo nu e ma tama we no ma gati wa si obo nyime dan because nyime no gbe hu ni wa ga continue e be ni ana adomiewe ekibisi nu wa so be do yakọ adomiewe eyibe gbogbo ana hiwu obedo hiwu we gbe mo nu wa biele because ijo bie nu wa humiliate condemn iwe mi gu ganda ijo biele yan na ijo biele yan I love you too my darling ijo biele yan wa si obowo imeyimi e ti me fosu wa imeyimi awon eto na emi na kodi unja o wa soki imeyimi wa ona ore force no na owa mu agbeti ari mi ati okon na no mu agbeti ari kavasha mu ari Jericho owo agbete ye ke ma ase kava aja America o owo eni okan na egbe net e gya gbe computer because owo eni okan na egbe net so unyime kunyime nu wariri agwo yin wa ebe vio ne monu wa biele ni nebe do ayewu wala ho wa mesho hu wa be kisi obo unyime na ne monu wa biele do wewu wa si obo good name is always better than riches wa mami wa bi emi agun ni an we just mi money wo ha awa bi omona o ijo ma be yana o seto na kokomona dan omo ga lele na birikia you need my help. Okay, if it is what I can do, you can inbox me later. Yeah. Area never do ne wagere. So walaho. Ime wala kokako. Unyimesi o maso unyime do. Unyimesi o mase. Oga magabe so wegbi. O mani ga temo gabe temo meni obe yaseke nu weji. Onina we bulufo mami wanira kokako no gbovo pe agbovo ho akokako we mana si obo we gbovo igbovo you know what it be igbovo jealousy this one no be just ordinary jealousy the highest jealousy of it jealousy of it your mate is progressing you will not allow that person to progress in peace. Doing nonsense all over the place. Condemning that person for no reason. Try to bring the person down for no reason. You have never had issue with you before. Because of hatred. Backbiting spirit. How to destroy one another for no reason. Making trouble all over the place. Wani. Niwe guwe neba kokako no we ukmezo eyan wa oni ari eru mani no weme wa si obo weme ya ave gu yo wa mo mane weme be na kukunya wa si obo weme o okay Osaslov, are you in the one that is in Libya? If you are the one that is in Libya, just say yes now, so that I know what to tell you here. If you are the one who live in Libya, let me know, so that I know what to tell you. So that is the real truth. If you don't know what you sanitize your heart very well. Unyime udege na saloba na gima mwemedia akokako manu yo bosi bungbe o saloba na gima mwemedia Ema no yo bossy wa koka ko bungbe. O bungbe vi edone wagire. Why understand? Ema no yo bo yasi wa koka ko bungbe. Iwene reni amu esomu nyahu wego huye bungbe. O ewu no go mani no mani on no mu ye. Yes na. E wajo bossy emi ni bungbe wa koka ko. Wa mi na. O saba mama le run dani. O saba no moku wu hiaruru ani mara koka ko. E ma no e wa huwe motina. O gbera vi akesi mo. Ni na e wa itayi meho na itayo hia meho pe me. O bungbe ibiri no. O ibiri no. Akoka ko no waje wala ho. Agi mamu emiria. Emi esoro ni mabe u. Nem no magwogo sao. Ni matobi mabe u wa koka ko ne ma ewe mi no gba. We need to withdraw from those things. We need to withdraw from those things. That is the truth. So that God, we will live a better life, a good life. A good life. Ihe no reso na so mo we go we bungbe. Uko ki no reso. Instead no we tota no we neja bo wakarosa. We mi na ni we go we mi no gba baba yo ko me bo me. And you are still keep on doing worse. Venachinai. Imegisa we ayet okwe recipe sisido. Ima imwe meni ladia. Can you imagine? Ima muladia o. Ema ni mewa evasunda na wa etayome o na etayome o ibili no. Can you imagine? Ima demuladia me ni wuta. Because o too much be. Oma we mi gbe wa gbona. O ve si obo wesu. No egu ka wa beku abaku ne be go huye. Neja bo wa harosa. Neja bo wa harosa salo ba me na yuki dola son. No me na de ogie. No me na ye de no tanu. No me na we mi kemi no gwalo ba ye no me na we no. Ema tata. No more road of saga. O salo bo agwa boni no gariam. Ema tama we no mageta. Agwa boni no gariam. A road of saga. Ariodo na. Ariodo. Bosi egbeberi. Awa boni no gariam. Ija boni mewa no ni soke like that. It's okay like that. So salo bak base yo merone. Owo we me. Owo mi rokbal. Evi lori alo. Kosu. Umahe mi nugao. Yes, that is the truth. Ohun agbonto mega anihin. Ene jabo ne wa kokako. Oge me degbe do mu nwinere nya ho. Inwinere. God forbid and heaven forbid. What's ye gbeweri? God forbid and heaven forbid it. Ematama we no magatin. Too much of everything is bad. Wa ze we mi okpa. Uki ye keladi. Because umanarere ki ye keladi. Edo wu okpa yo mi jovie. Okpa o jovie mi jovie. So eno no wala ho imehimi abakokako na leru na mama ama we na wahina na leru na mama ama we na tiebona na leru na mama ama we ne ma understand wala ho o ma zegeru wede no saloba wa ya kran ne kuni na eru wede eru tome that road of saga ogome mo hu ogome baba okon no wegi do tie bonus awe vegazo wegi vegena I will not reply. Well, no video ni me no de. Ime jump pay ya paso salobo adege home. A video ni me YouTube channel no de. We are like YouTube vegena. I show it all ayete kuni wa vati no ma. Can you imagine? A picture kuni wa line up YouTube wa from the beginning to the end. Memi odela. Kwino sagwe megazo wege. Ime jump pay so passy. Day before no na mete reply ni bonus. I don't have that time. Ime wa jumpe tie inya tie dan. Na the truth ime wa nya tie dan na we he. E de gbe kan anybody. Inya tie dan because he tie ne wa harusa we. E de gbe kan ropa. Okon no mani wa agwa le kuni. E yimi kuni. Inya tie dan. Egi mi ekuno because e wo to me no dazi wa jo me na. Ima oni adojo jasin ba koka ko ni adia. Doja. Eruwe deni. Usalo baya demo gieni. Imagine time wa wasan. No usalo baba ya gbe mo ruwe ni ugo gi asan ni. Me ruwe denu ukmen mo no sa obo ajo me. O han o we do yo bu we ni. Do ya oja sinwa do ya si ko ni. If you want to try my faith, we wa nekuni wa kokako iga do ansa won gi o sa we mi ga so wigi. Because I see the blessings of God in me. I have already seen the light of God shining upon my life. I have already seen signs and wonders coming from God Almighty into my life. Oh, we are not doing. What God cannot do does not exist. What God cannot do does not exist. That altar of fire, that queen is receiving prayer from every blessed morning. I cannot stand here before you again and start making noise. Because my miracle, my congratulation must take place this month, whether the devil like it or not. So, just one, I don't want to hear for my ear. I don't want to hear for my ear. So, if you like, we wa agree as over kokako. If you like, we wa book benyasa we mengazo. It's none of my business. But I promise you, we edenu salobwa. Can bo him ma we he salobwa. Weto bo we aga negbo water. Bo ya bo him or him ma we ni. Weto bo we ga gwa lo we he salobwa. Baba jabome. Again, we are not doja UV. A result in Usagiti in Wegani. Wetobo we can have any result in Ayari. Or see a harosa, ione ni mehuya. A harosa, ione ni mehuya. All those name. A talo kwa year and deni. Yeki many yagila. I move to the next level. I move to the next level. Oh my love, don't be stupid. Was a with your back. Oh mama wegbe. You quit from those road and go to another dimension that will lead you to eternity. That is the truth. The road I am going to now is the road of long life and prosperity in good health. That is the road I am headed to. I don't know about you. If you want to belong to the moving train group of long life, you join the moving train of long life. If you want to say, hey, you must quarrel to eternity, suit yourself with your quarrel. Yeah, if you was all it's all him no sa women as a wiggy. I am done with those life. I am done for good. It's time one. Mark today's day down. I am done with those life. I am done for good. He signed out TV Facebook for 1 week. Dima onija o made the nonsense. He signed out the next day. The next one, he had you do tell me attack. They want to talk. Then wa gwezoni me social media. You will comment ye video more because someone love it. Don't be stupid. Kon wa gwezo wa gbelugbo wa kokako. I will not comment. Believe me, I will not comment. I want to do better things with my life. When you are doing meaningful something, Kon is coming there to throw comment the way I want it. Or no we agree where they be me comment maybe any platform in Ulanu. Mark to this date you will never see my comment on any live video of that person. Ita where in a comment. I no one go there again. Na me comment maybe because when I go no. It can when I me agbo. You can comment 1,000 comments without checking for and wherever we. That is me for you. Mona de una leo. Kwa wa says wa continue. He wish you all the best. Wa rin will bezo, but a long life in usa was as any mena. No na je ujo me wo hon no for. Oh we ni anu where do you just sing we? Do ya ukpo hon ni ajo me ni. Aki enyu egbemere. Ajo me ne wo hie, ajo never van, ajo never be here. Nobody will pull it out of my body. No that way. Osa. Ogbise yirunini. Okonu wane managbon. Igatalo kwa ba kokako eb. Osa gbise yirun mene osa wene gazo wegini. Rudanwe. Oma no sa we no zo wegi. To zo wegi ene bio. Wa maho. Owegini to ga take place. Matan. Wa are ni we ba tale kwa. Ima oni hon. No we do ne wa kiri. In wana mabagbon. So I need to leave you guys very, very soon. Be good to one another. Time. Ogi dioto na. Wa maba koka konu wadia. Time. O iboto na. Akoka ko no wadia. From now, Nyimesi. Me na ne dagmo we me na afofo awe no go. Nyimesi kedene na pa. Nyime dan ya no karo we yen fi lekwa. Ko se geni ro pare ni ro pa. Fi lo nyime dan kwa. No ve nyimesi yen. Onyime na ya we mo pe awe mo ku. Onyime na ya ri ogo no pe ari ogo no ku. Onyime na ya go o ma no di o ma soma. Onyime na ya dane ni e ma ya ba kokako. Wa mo nyime ni. Unyime na ya egwoma fi lekwa. Unyime ogesi wa vio eje hin. Unyime na ya dano ho wa vio eje hin. Unyime na ya ri ogo ne ni soma ba kokako wa vio ya hin. Unyime agbon unyime si. Unyime no na matomu abesi animo. Unyime era me magbe o ma se era hun dan. Ije me magbe o ma se ye o ma egba e. Unyime ni. Oh, you need to have that character. That character you must have is for you to love one another. Show kindness to people as God will show you mercy. You must show kindness to people, and so that God Almighty will also show you mercy, of course. And you must not look down on anyone. You must not look down on anyone. Constant worry, because you don't know how tomorrow will look like. And the third one, you must respect your elders. Respect your elders wherever you are. Respect your elders. Be loyal to people out there. Be loyal to people out there. Stop bringing people one another down for no reason. You guys will stop. Respect says is reciprocal. You must have that respect. Have the dignity as a woman. A dignity that you must have that dignity as a woman. Respect yourself so that others will respect you. If you does not respect yourself, you want to say, hey, you know it all. That is how God will intervene. It's not how you are saying it, but it's how Jesus is saying it. You may be saying it like this, but Jesus is saying it other way. Not how you are saying it, it's how Jesus is saying it. So, you must obey. Obey. Submit. Respect your elders at all times. So, Ningwaya, where it's now only social media, me no say, social media people, they know they respect their elders. Only social media. Social media, the kind of character they are possessing is different from character that human are possessing there. Believe me. Only social media, they can cause you, who is even having white head. Or in the name of what? Obo kan ki gbodi ona do va bebo na ukure dion. Ukure nige obo kan ki gbodi ona do va bebo na ukure dion. Ukure nige no obo kan ki gbodi ona do va bebo na ukure dion. Ukure nige obo kan ki gbodi ona do va bebo na ukure dion. Obo kan mi gbodi ona do va bebo olowo. Obo kan gbodi ona do va bebo. oni ukhure di onoro ukhure ni gewewo obo kan ki gbo ti ono to ba be bo na ukhure di imaheo ema tata ibuderiere o iga gwata wa miwe ima gwata obi okan obumobo na mo wo ki imaiwo dere he rudanbo le no ya ladian wonu me ya talo but emenita udazi gbese yomerune no he who have ye let him have no me ho we no da me ho neme we no vio akokako no vio ye hore no me na ti da we ho si udanwe udenera vigerie e galele ebude e no honestly eboni nera vige me pe me ebude e yakin ene we debonera vige pe me wo ebude no debonera me pe me ebude no we nigera ebude no we nigedoji bude no we nigetoge bude no we nigago tori ogweji bude no we ga sisi ewoko ebude no debonera me pe me o bude no debonije me pe me bude no the bude no we ni mo oye ma gbo me bude no we disi ewoko bude no bonera vije me pe me ebude no yes so emata no ude nera bume ude ni ye bume ude ne do bume imia mia iseti mia mia na gbon ma me ni mi na to era meje ude nera bume ude ni ye bume ude ne do bume imia mia iteti mia mia na gbon ma me ni mi na to ije meje ude naga no pe me bume ude no go bume ude no go no pe bo bume imia mia iseti mia mia na gbon ma me ni mi na to era meje adane gbo sieme o idanu waya o adane gbo sieme re danu waya o adane gbo sieme o idanu waya o adane gbo sieme re danu waya o dane gbo sieme o idanu waya o dane gbo sieme re danu waya o dane gbo sieme o idanu waya o dane gbo sieme re danu bane dume o adane gbo sieme o idanu waya o adane gbo sieme re danu waya o adane gbo sieme o kevo khame ya adane gbo sieme re danu waya o adane gbo sieme o idanu waya o adane gbo sieme re danu waya o dane gbo sieme o dane poli eke ya adane gbo sieme re ke ba panoro eko adane gbo sieme o idanu waya o adane gbo sieme re danu waya o adane gbo sieme o okin yo we ni bae o okin yo we ni bae me o o okin yo we ni bae o okin yo we ni bae me o o we na kwa gi mi gbe okin yo we ni bae me o okin yo we ni bare okin yo we ni bare me o okin yo we ni bare okin yo we ni bare me o we na kwa gi mi gbe okin yo we ni bare me o okin yo we ni bare Ah, oh, eh, okio we ni va me oh, ah, oh, eh, okio we ni va ah, oh, eh, okio we ni va me oh, ah, oh, eh. See you guys, my beloved people. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. But Jesus loves you guys most. God will bless you all. God will shower you guys blessing. God will promote you guys to the next level. Remember, this month of October is still the month of congratulation. Carry your congratulation in abundance. Carry your congratulation. Don't let people bring your congratulations down. Don't let your congratulations sneak to another person. So just hold your congratulations. Hold your peace. Hold your peace, and your congratulation will begins. And nobody will take your congratulation. My congratulation is my congratulation. Your congratulation is your congratulation. And I am going to be congratulated and jubilate, because it's a month of congratulation to me and a month of jubilation. As I say, so shall it be. God of Pastor Jerry Eze Mosholi, he say, carry your congratulation under that altar of fire. Carry your congratulation. Me, I don't carry my own. I don't know about you, me, queen. I don't carry my own. My family don't carry their own. Now the truth, I don't carry my own. And my family don't carry their own. My husband don't carry their own. My children don't carry their own. My fans, lovers of Osawe Mega Zowegi, because a canary room gig be menari enuwa. Viewers, followers of Osawe Mega Zowegi. He made the rungwa yik me mana le rungi wa emiove. They pray for una wala all over the world. They want no kuni no mabako. Your prayer is my number one priority. So I must give una that prayer as soon as one time, my people. Relax and see God in action. Will surprise you in this same month of October. Now, so we see God in action will surprise you wherever you are. If you are looking for a job, they shall congratulate you with a new job in the name of Jesus. If you are looking for a document, they shall congratulate you with a good document in the name of Jesus. And if you are looking for marital settlement, this one, carry on with full force, because I don't carry my own, they go. My leg will carry me, they go. My leg will carry me, they go. Anywhere blessing, they will carry me, they go. Hey, anywhere success, they will carry me, they go. Anywhere promotion, they will carry me, they go. Hey, anywhere healing, they will carry me, they go. Now so, my leg will carry me, they go. My leg will carry me, they go. Anywhere divine connection, they will carry me, they go. Hey, anywhere upliftment, they will carry me, they go. Anywhere promotion, they will carry me, they go. Hey, anywhere connection, they will carry me, they go. Yes, now. Emotionally carry all my fans, viewers, followers all over the world. He go carry us, they will carry go. Now, so we see, my people. If you never see blessings of God, as far as that altar of fire is concerned, blessing upon blessing go, they follow you, they go. You will testify this month of October. Everyone that is hearing the sound of my voice, you will testify, and your congratulations, it go big. Yes, nah. Mona, take care, my people. See you guys tomorrow, because in the evening I have somewhere going, but in daytime you will see me on live. In the evening, I have somewhere going, my people. So I am going to rush online tomorrow, and I will also comment from there, because I am going somewhere. So God bless you all, and see you guys. Loving you all like no other, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.